Hello everyone. For today's video, I will answer question of one of my client. I will share to you my screen so that we can get started. Yung question ng client ko for today, I received this question a while ago. So yung question ng kliyente about Teka Homes, how does it work po? Ready to move in? How much po need for move-in? Okay, so tatlong question pala. Yung question, yung gustong malaman ng kliyente natin today. Okay, how does it work po? Ready to move in? How much po need for move-in? Okay, mababang usapan ito. Pero I will discuss this topic in a short in a way na hindi naman masyadong boring yung presentation natin today. Okay, how does it work po? So actually, yung pinaka-starting natin to avail our house and lot at Teka Homes, nagsa-start tayo sa inquiry. Okay, inquiry talaga. Okay, after the inquiry, once you are done with the details or all needed information about our house and lot, then you can proceed to the site visit. Then after the site visit, we have paperworks. Then next question, it's ready to move in. Okay, ready to move in. Okay, so regarding the move in, actually our house and lot package or house and lot offer is ready for occupancy. But regarding the move in, before maka-move in yung clients natin, it is necessary that yung housing loan application ng client namin is already approved. If it is under Pag-ibig housing loan, so dapat approved na siya or loan takeout na siya for Pag-ibig Fund before siya maka-move in sa unit niya. Okay. If it is in-house, we have in Iloilo, we have in-house and bank financing for our selected units. It is necessary that yung application ng client namin should be approved first to those mode of financing scheme na pinili niya before siya makamove in. So hindi pwede na pag-reserve na yung araw, move in bukas. Wala tayong ganun. So we have a processing procedure pa before makamove in ang kliyente. Okay? How much po need for move in? Okay, so yung question na ito actually, it varies, depends on the applicable promos for that particular month. Yung promo kasi namin sa Daika Homes, paiba-iba kasi kami halos sa every month and it also varies depends on the unit na i-avail ng kliyente. Like for example, if two-story townhouse for Iloilo and Bacolod, we have promo right now na 5,000 reservation and we have also selected units na zero down payment. So depende ha sa period at depende sa unit. So just say for example, naka-avail kayo ng promo na ganon na 5K reservation at zero equity or zero down. So yung mangyari niyan, after your reservation, mawait na lang tayo ng processing of your Pag-ibig housing loan. Then once approved na ang housing loan nyo sa Pag-ibig Fund, doon na at magsa-start yung monthly amortization natin. At yung monthly amortization nyo naman, it varies, depends on your terms of payment, on depends on number of years na in-avail nyo. Dahil pag i-maximize nyo naman ito, like if ngayon kayo mag-avail ng housing namin, like for example, mag-avail kayo ng 25 years to pay, yung monthly amortization nyo for that is around 6,600 pesos per month. Okay? So I hope I answered this question. To our valued clients who wanted to avail our latest promo for the month, feel free to message or comment down below, or you can just contact our contact number that appear on our Facebook page for Deca Homes, or you can also please also like and subscribe on this channel so that you can get updated with our latest promos and latest offer for Deca Homes. Thank you so much. See you.